Good evening everyone, and welcome to Story Insights. Physical touch is one of the most powerful forms of human communication. It doesn't need words, it doesn't ask for explanations, it simply connects two hearts on a deeper level. When someone you love touches you, your brain reacts instantly. It releases a wave of chemicals that bring comfort, peace, and emotional warmth. The main hormone behind this reaction is oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone. It's the same chemical released when a mother holds her baby. This hormone tells the brain, you are safe here. You are loved. That's why a simple hug after a stressful day can make everything feel better. Touch is not just a desire, it's a human need. When couples stay physically close, holding hands, cuddling, or even sitting next to each other, their stress levels drop, and their emotional connection grows stronger. It's as if the body remembers that it's not alone in this world. From a psychological point of view, touch acts as silent reassurance. It tells your partner, I'm here with you. When people are deprived of touch for too long, they often feel anxious, isolated, or emotionally disconnected. That's why distance in relationships sometimes hurts more than words can express. Touch also builds trust. Our skin has special nerve endings that send messages directly to the emotional center of the brain, the limbic system. These signals calm the mind and create a sense of belonging. It's a biological design meant to keep humans bonded, supportive, and empathetic toward one another. In romantic relationships, touch plays an even deeper role. It's not always sexual, often it's emotional. A gentle caress, a warm embrace, or a soft hand on the shoulder can express care, forgiveness, or protection. These small moments of contact are what keep love alive long after words fade away. Scientists have found that couples who maintain regular physical contact, even just holding hands, have better relationship satisfaction, stronger immune systems, and lower blood pressure. The warmth of another human being literally heals the body. Touch also helps people express emotions they cannot put into words. Sometimes a hug can say I'm sorry, or I understand you, far more effectively than any sentence ever could. The body has its own language, and touch is its purest form of speech. When you think about it, every human being enters the world through touch, being held, cared for, and comforted. That need never disappears. As adults, we still crave that same warmth because it reminds us that we are loved, accepted, and not alone. So when couples crave physical touch, it's not just about attraction. It's the body's way of seeking connection, reassurance, and peace. Touch tells the truth our words often can't, that love is not only felt in the heart, but also through the skin.